Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and clear any stored codes. This also resets adaptive systems. Once done, raise the truck and support it on stands so you can remove the air intake tube and engine cover for access. Next, find the EGR valve on the intake manifold. Inspect and photograph vacuum and electrical connectors so you can reinstall correctly. These steps cut risk and save time later by giving full, unobstructed access to the valve and mounting bolts. You now disconnect the vacuum hose and electrical connector. Label them if they look similar, because correct reconnection matters for function. Then, unbolt the EGR valve mounting hardware. Apply penetrating oil to stubborn bolts and use the correct socket and an extension to avoid rounding. Once free, remove the valve with its gasket and clean the mating surfaces thoroughly using a gasket scraper and rag to remove carbon and debris, because a clean seal prevents leaks and ensures the new valve seats properly. You install the new gasket and EGR valve, hand start bolts, then torque to spec to avoid warping. Make sure vacuum lines and the electrical connector seat fully. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery, reinstall the intake tube and engine cover, then start the truck and listen for vacuum leaks and watch for rough idle while the system relearns. If codes persist, check the vacuum supply and wiring harness for continuity. Verifying vacuum operation with a handheld pump often reveals issues the sensor alone won't show.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.